Hey everybody, James Jams here, bringing you guys something new, something different. All right, this last weekend I got to go to the Northern Invasion Rock and Roll Festival. I got to go see tons of bands that I know and love, but I got myself a fancy new Zippo. And because I bought this, I got to be one of the 350 people there. They got to go backstage to go see a special acoustic set from bands we know and love. This time, I got to go see Of Mice and Men. Here is their song, Feels Like Forever.
We are Of Mice and Men from Southern California. Yes, we are. Alright, so what's first? The song is called Feels Like Forever.
Yeah! Alright guys, so that was Of Mice and Men from their Zippo Sessions acoustic jam. It was amazing. It was great to be there. And at 1:45, that was Jose Mangan from Sirius Satellite Radio on there. Guy is awesome, cool shit. I got to meet him too. But that's an entirely different topic for an entirely different video. Alright, I've got more of these coming up in the next few days. So do me a favor, rate, comment, subscribe to this shit. Let me know what you guys think, and keep on rocking in the free fucking world. I'll see you guys later.